Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to Boolean search on Indeed. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Indeed app. If you haven't, you can easily download it from your store. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to perform the Boolean search on Indeed, you need to have the concept of Boolean operators, such as AND operator, OR operator, NOT operator. As a recruiter, learning to use Boolean searching can help you find a large number of results very quickly. So in order to do that, here you can see the search bar at the top, tap on it. Let's say if I'm looking for a candidate with experience in both graphic design and social media, I'll search for graphic design inside the quotation mark and use the AND operator and again mention social media. So what it does is, it brings out the results which satisfies both conditions. If you just want one or another, you can use the OR operator instead of AND. So this will bring the result having at least one of these. So you need to have the concept of Boolean operators in order to perform Boolean search. Once you're done with your prompts, you can tap on the search button and it will show the results accordingly. You need to learn the concept of Boolean operators first, and then you can easily perform the Boolean operation. So that's it. That's how you can perform the Boolean search operation on Indeed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.